Hello guys, I welcome you to Artistic EP channel. This is Glossy Lips Drawing and I'm here to take you through the tutorial. If this is your first time being on this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. We have a lot of portrait and beautiful images to post them here for you to learn how to draw. Alright? Let's get back to the drawing. This is glossy lips. Yeah, normally glossy lips are always shiny. Yeah, they have a lot of lipstick. Yeah, and they are very shiny. Yeah. So as you can see the drawing, I think you have already spoken about shadow, highlighting, and also blending as well. Yeah, so at this point, what we need to do, we are going to apply the shadowing and highlighting. Alright, so at this point, after we have finished shading and also blending to get a uniform surface, we will be starting the shadowing and highlighting. So shadowing and highlighting, all that means is wherever from your image, from wherever you see light, you make sure in your drawing you make it hot light. Okay, wherever you see it is being dark or shadow, represent the same thing on your drawing paper. Alright, yeah, so as you can see what I'm doing, I'm trying to bring out wherever it is being highlighted. I'm trying to bring light over there, and wherever it is being dark, yeah, I'm trying to put the dark areas. Okay, that's what remain now. Okay, so as you can see from the drawing, yeah, and as well as I'm also blending as well. You always blend to get a uniform. You're always going to blend to get a uniform surface. Alright, yeah, the blending always match with the shadowing and highlighting. You need to blend to get a uniform surface before you can bring out a highlight or shadow. The moment you blend, you see you'll be getting a uniform surface, which will tell you either it is being the image you want or the texture you want over there is accurate or not. Okay, yeah, so all the time you have to stick to whatever you are doing. Be mindful. Yeah, so as you can see what I'm doing, I'm trying to bring out wherever it is being. So you try and bring the highlight area, and wherever it is being highlighted, you try and bring light over there, and wherever it is being shadow, you make that place dark to make you achieve a uniform image or a beautiful portrait as well. Okay, so stick to the video and check everything so you can also draw properly. Stick to the video. And this is your first time being on this channel, I recommend you to subscribe to the channel and also be part of the family, so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first to check it out. always say drawing is all about getting your outlines correctly, right? Yeah. So the moment you get your outlines correctly, what is left is being what? Applying your shadow and highlighting. Alright? Yeah. So anytime make sure you get your outlines correctly. That's bringing out the correct image on your drawing paper, right? That's the outline. So the moment you get that done, all what is left is the shadow and highlighting. Alright? Yeah. So you focus on wherever it is being dark, you make it dark. Wherever it's been light or highlighted, you try and bring light over there. Alright? So there's no panic in this. All what you need is courage, and also stick to what you are doing and be focused. That's all about drawing. Yeah, I believe anyone can draw, and if you give it more attention, you can do a tremendous work. Alright? Yeah. So drawing is all about bringing out your outlines correctly, and after that you focus on what? Shadowing and highlighting. Yeah, that will make you a great one. That's all. So there's no panic in this. I believe anyone can draw. So as the drawing is ongoing, you can see I'm always applying mine. I love using cotton bud a lot because it works. I love using cotton bud for my blending because they work very wonderfully. Yeah, cotton bud, I mostly use them on a tiny area, like small portion. Alright? Yeah, so it gives me a smooth and a uniform surface as I want. Alright? Yeah, so I love using cotton bud for drawing, for blending, and it works wonderfully for me. Yeah, so I always use cotton bud for smaller spots, so I can get a smooth surface for my drawing. And also, you see, all the time, if I finish shading, I apply the cotton bud or to blend, so I can get the uniform surface I want. So if anytime I want to shadow that portion, it will be easy for me. Or anytime I want to highlight that portion, it will be so easy for me, and it makes the work very easier. So blending match always goes with or shadow and highlighting. You can't ignore blending as well as you are shadowing and highlighting. Alright? Yeah, so all the time you need to focus on that also. You need to blend as well as being on shadowing and highlighting. That will make your work very, very wonderful. Alright? Yeah. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. We have a lot of portrait images to be posted out here, and you can also focus and learn how to draw. Let's go. This is the final reveal of our portrait, our image, right? Yeah. So how it looks. Kindly go to the comment section and give your remarks. You can congratulate us, or you can also tell us what you see about the drawing. We did well, or we didn't. Thank you. Your opinion is being required.